Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Expedia login problem. So to fix Expedia login problems, you can start by resetting your password. Just go to Expedia. Once you go to Expedia, you will get into the login page. Now on the login page, just tap and forget your passwords to initiate a reset. Now the next what you can do is update your app. Just go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Expedia. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version of Expedia app. Now, the next what you can do is verify that the email address is spelled correctly and not creating a mismatch error. The next thing what you can do is restart your device. A simple restart can resolve temporary authentication issues. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.